Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. You guys, I'm on my way to Aldi. I want to get groceries for the month. Alright, so I closed work early, and this is Aldi. Just across there. I'm just going to cross the road now. So you guys, long time no see, long time no talk. I've been struggling to create content. Like, I've been struggling to pick up my camera, you guys. I don't know, just coming out of December, January and all of that, trying to find my rhythm with content creation and all of that. I've been struggling, but the truth of the matter is I'll get my rhythm back. But you guys, let's start with this shopping. It's been a while, so let's catch up, okay? Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the store. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in a bit, okay? Alright, so today's video has been sponsored by Irresistible Me. They have sent me this really amazing long bob wig. This wig is in 12 inches and this is in the color chocolate brown. It's really lovely. I really love the realistic pattern. So this is 6x4 closure and I really love it. The density is really full, you guys. Really full, really lush. I love the fact that, you know, it's long enough to pack. I can style this as a bob. I can just cut some layers and then have it, you know. You guys, it's really nice. So they currently have a Valentine's Day 50% deal, and you can use my discount code to give you an additional 10% off. So altogether, that gives you 60% off. You guys, run. The link will be in my description box. You can also use my discount code. I'll leave that on your screen and it will also be in the description box. You guys, go and buy this lovely hair. It is really lovely. They also have some amazing clip-ins. They've sent me one clip-in before, as well as a 14-inch chocolate brown wig, and that one is really lovely. I wore it to church on Sunday and it was really giving. I really love that one. But you guys, you click on the link in my description box, it will take you directly to their page. You guys go ahead and shop their amazing collections. They deal with all kinds of textures of hair. They are very inclusive as well, so you can get different lengths, different textures, and it is really good over there. Alright, you guys, I've said too much. Head over to their page and get you some really lovely wigs. Alright guys, let's continue with the rest of the video. Alright you guys, so we're home now and I couldn't film again after I left Aldi. In fact, before I left Aldi, because I had to carry the things I was going to check out with in my hands to Asda before the boys came to come and get me from there. But anyways, I'll just show you what I got from Aldi quickly before I moved to Asda, because that's where I bought most of this month's shopping. That's to tell you guys that I only went to Aldi and Asda for this month's shopping, and it is by far the biggest shopping I've done in a while. Alright, so you guys know that I haven't done my monthly shopping in a while. The prices will be on the screen as per usual. This is my receipt. Altogether, I spent £40.80 at Aldi. I got 2 large cucumbers. I bought a bag of lemons. I have 2 easy peelers here. I have 2 broccoli. One of the broccoli I bought is in the Asda thing. It had spilled over there. But anyway, this was 79p for this broccoli head. I bought 2 of that. I also got 1 avocado. This one looked very nice and I'm a huge fan of avocado. I got this mango yogurt. That's upside down. Anyway, I bought these and the strawberry one. So there's 4 of that. I also got 2 tubs of Greek yogurt. These are the ones that we get from Aldi, and these are for my feet farm things. The reason why I did this month's shopping at this time is because we've been on fast in January. I don't know how many of you know, but in the Winners family, we do a fast every year. And this month's own is about to round up. So we're going to be going back to our normal meal scheduling. So I got this big chicken, whole chicken. I also got a tub of strawberries, a tub of blueberries as well, and a tub of red grapes. I think I bought green grapes as well, but I'm not sure. I'm also going to be doing some baking for meal preps for this weekend. I'm off tomorrow, and so I'm going to be doing a lot of batch cooking. So I got these 2 butters for baking, and then I got a thing of sliced cheese. This is about 15 in that pack. So that's everything, and altogether cost me £40.80 from Aldi. Alright you guys, so let's move to the things we got from Asda. Alright you guys, so these are the things that we were able to get from Asda, and this is where I did the bulk of this month's shopping, and that's because they were doing a price match that I was looking to try out, and all in all I think they actually did well. But you guys, let's start from here. I got 2 packs of crisps. This one is the Asda brand for their meaty variety. It has 24 crisps in it, and I also got them quavers. They are trying quavers for probably the 2nd time, I think, and it has about 20 pieces in that. Over here we have some ham, and this is the Just Essentials by Asda, and there's a good number in there. This will be for sandwiches, and they also got 1 pack of pork chops, and then we also got the tender 8 pork loins. We also got 2 bottles of the blue milk, and this is the Asda British, and this is the British whole milk. We got 2 of that. I also picked up some yogurt for the boys, just in case they don't like the ones I got from Aldi. I got them this 4-pack one, so we have 3 of that. Also got some mincemeat, and this came in a combo. They were doing a mix and match, so it was 2 for £8. I got this one. This is the steak mince and the beef and pork one. Also got 2 whole chickens. One was a lot cheaper than the one I got in Aldi. That's a price beat, not a price match from Asda. I got a head of cabbage, and this was £1 2p. I also got a head of red cabbage. This was £1 3p. I got a bag of brown onions. I also picked up a bag of red onions. I picked up 2 more heads of broccoli, so we have 2 of that. And then I picked up this avocado. It looked really nice, but it was very expensive. I think it's because it is the organic avocado. This was £1 for this one. Look at that comparison to my hand. £1 for this. It better be nice. It's ripe enough, so when I'm ready to eat, I'll have this. I also picked up some spring onions. Really love spring onions in akara, in anything, child. I love spring onions. I got some lettuce for salad and for sandwiches. I also picked up 2 bags of carrots. This is the Asda crunchy and sweet carrots, so I have 2 of that. I got 4 bags of the mild and tender spinach. This one cannot cook more than 1 pot of soup, so I have 4 of that. I got a bag of smooth and rich red potatoes. You guys, if you haven't tried red potatoes, I highly recommend. They boil well. They are not as expensive. This whole bag I think was about £3 or so. The price will be on the screen, but I got this bag of red potatoes. I got a crate of 12 large free-range eggs. This is what they look like inside. so they're not a bad size, they're really good size. I also got some extra large wraps. This is the mission wraps. If you guys remember, this came in my Dagusta box a couple of months ago. So well, we're going to be having some wraps for our lunch, packed lunch for myself and my husband. I also got 2 boxes of the stone baked barbecue chicken pizza. It looks really nice on the carton. I hope it looks nice inside as well. I'm trying this for the first time. So I got 2 of that. It was £1 and change for a box. I also got a bag of mixed veggies. This is going for my stir fry, fried rice, noodles, things like that. I have 2 bags of sweet and delicate conference pears. My sons really love pears, so I got them 2 of that. I also have some bananas. I intend to use some for my smoothie if they will let me, because these boys don't see banana. Anyway, I also have a bag of crisp and juicy apples. And then I picked up 3 crispy French fries. I got 3 bags of that, and it was really affordable. So it was £2 and change for each bag. So I picked up 3 of that. I also got 2 bags of their apples, their green apples. This is the Golden Delicious apples. If you guys know, Golden Delicious apples are the absolute favorites of these boys. They love this one. I think a little bit more than the red apples, but I'm not sure. Sometimes it changes, sometimes it's the same. So we have 2 bags of that. And then we got some Hellmann's mayonnaise for sandwiches, I put this on everything. I even eat chips with that. But anyway, we have 2 bags of the KP original salted peanuts. This is Gary season. Now you guys, what is Gary without peanuts? But anyway, this was £3 and change for this bag. It's really pricey, but the peanuts are good. I also got some garlic granules. This is for cooking. I picked up some sardines, and this is the sardine in olive oil. So I picked up 4 of that for sandwiches. I make pasta with them as well, pasta bake and things like that. You guys, this is what I've switched to. I hardly buy fresh tomatoes except for fried egg and things like that. I don't use this one. I use this for soups and pepper mix and things like that. So I got 4 of that. I have some left, but I just bought these 4 to top up with. You can't see them, the sardine is blocking, but there's 4. And I got the plum tomatoes. Plum tomatoes are the best for pepper mix, if you ask me. But anyway, this is what I'm using now. And I bought these to fry eggs with. So these are the 6 salad tomatoes. I got these for frying eggs. But anyway, I got 2 packs of the Asda Bourbon biscuits. This is custard creams as well. This is the Asda brand. Anyway, I told you I'll be baking this month quite a lot. So I bought some more plain flours. I bought 2 of that. This is the Asda brand. And they're a lot affordable compared to the other ones I saw on the shelf. I got some vitamin C for myself and my husband. This is the orange flavor for vitamin C immunity. I got the boys some of their vitamins as well. We have the multivitamins, everyday health, and the calcium and vitamin D for bones and teeth. I'm also going to be making some curry this month, for February. So I got 2 cans of coconut milk. This is the Asda brand. I got some fairy liquid. I also got some surface cleaner. This is the Astonish antibacterial surface cleaner. Really nice smell. I got some hot dogs. This is the 8 long ones. I also got some marshmallows for their hot chocolate. And I got the refill for the hot chocolates from Asda. This is the Asda brand one. All the way back there, this is from Aldi. I don't know what it's doing here. This is from the Aldi collection. But anyway, I got 4 of this milk brioche rolls. Got 3 of this. Also bought some bread from Asda. This is the Hovis soft white. We got some basmati rice. This basmati rice, my husband is skeptical about it. and it doesn't think it's the one that we usually get because seller is not written on it. And you guys, I've told you in time past that if you want to buy basmati rice, you buy the one that has seller on it. I did not pay attention to that in the store, and I just picked this one because it looked like it, the grains look like the ones that I usually get. But I'm optimistic that it will turn out well and hold its moisture content for jollof rice and fried rice, like infusion cooking, and not just for boiled rice alone, because that would just be a shame. It was £7 and change for that. And then last but not least, from Asda, I got a keg of oil. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was £7 and change, I'm not sure, but the price will be on the screen. So that is everything, you guys, that we got from Asda and Aldi. Anyway, it's time to put all of this away. I'll be starting with the freezer section over there. What do you guys think of this whole thing? Was this a good deal? And yes, this is how I went to work like a homeless person. I forgot to wear my earrings and my chain, but that's besides the point. I know I'm looking like overripe plantain right now, but you guys, monthly shopping is always a hassle, and it's been a while I've gone all out like this, but I said no, I have to go back to that. So all of this was all under £200. Okay, so I still have a few things to get. I still have my pepper mix. I don't have everything, and the one place where I get everything is quite far from where I am. So I bought this for now, and I will probably look for one time to go and get my pepper mix. I also stocked up on my grains and cereals, so amala, semo, things like that. I stocked up on them recently, so I still have stock on that one. But anyway, you guys, this is everything we bought all together. The price will be somewhere here on the screen, but this cost me less than £200. What do you think? For a family of 4 for the month of February. Everything else that I have to get will probably cost me less than £30 for my pepper mix for the month. So what do you guys think? All right, thank you guys for watching. It's been a while I've done this, so we're back to our monthly grocery haul. So you guys, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you also found this very helpful, do well to share this with someone in your contact list, in your WhatsApp group, things like that. Okay, so you guys will notice that I bought quite a bit more vegetables than I used to, and that's because you guys have seen my second chin. This angle is so weird, but anyway, you guys, that's because I'm looking to cut down on my carbs and increase my veggies. So help me God, so help me God. But anyway, you guys, that's what this here is about. Thank you guys. I've rambled on for long enough. Let me put all of this away. I don't even know where I'm going to start. The freezer that I want to start with is what I've put something on. You guys, I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.